To use motion tracking in CapCut, you need two things: the object which one need to track, and the item or text that will moving for object. Now put the arrow in any place where you need. The location of the arrow will determine on which side it moves behind the object. Now click on the layer which one you want to track, then click on Tracking. Click on the Motion Tracking. Here you can choose if you need to scale the layer during tracking or if you need to include the distance. I'll show you how it looks like with and without it. To start tracking, you need to put this box on the object you want to track. Also, you can make the corners round if you need it. And click the Start button to start tracking. Also, it will take some time. And here's the final result. As you can see, the arrow during tracking is scaling. Let's see the result without scale and distance. And here's result without these two functions. To use motion tracking for text, you need to add the text you need. For example, let's make it learnbase. And just like last time, click Tracking, then Motion Tracking, and just click Start. And here we have pretty good result. Now you know how to use motion tracking in CapCut. See you soon, guys!